Hello! How would you like to look fresh and instantly put together? Well, with today's vlog, let me keep it simple. Yes, we can. Because it's all about cosmetics make under. What's the difference? Because typically when we hear of people applying makeup, it's rather the color in color or the wearing too much together look. So today we're going to keep it different. Number one, focus on the eyes. So when we say eyes, simply said, from your eyebrows to your eyelids, upper and under eyeline, keep it neutral. So if we are going to apply eyeshadow, so what I did on my upper eyelids today is something simple. So it's a slight shimmery neutral shade. So just brushed lightly from the under eyeline, okay, to the upper portion of the crease. So doing this can instantly brighten and open the eyes. Number two, we can always focus on a fresh base. What do we mean by a fresh base? Instead of using heavy foundations, powders, why don't we use tinted moisturizers or simple BB creams? You know, a light pat rather, would make us look dewy, and at the same time, the goal here is to even out skin tone, not to cover everything completely, especially if you've got nice skin. And lastly, number three, pop of life with cheek and lips. What do I mean by that? You know, a little dusting of blush, diagonally applied, and some either lip tint, okay? Some of you might prefer that. Or in my case, I just like it using a simple, natural colored lip balm. So however which way you want to project a natural put together look, nothing beats fresh confidence. So as always, remember, you and I can stand out and shine.